Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am gonna show you how to create a gaming text logo like this, using Photoshop. Let's go into the video. First, create a new file. Use whatever size you want. Choose the orientation. Make sure that the color mode is RGB. Make the background black. Click on Create. Take the text tool and type the text you want. Long Shot is the font I am using. Go to Move tool and press Ctrl+T. Make the text center. And drag the corner while pressing Alt. Now click on this icon up here. Select Arc Lower. Drag this point up. Again, go to the Move tool and press Ctrl+T. And drag the bottom arrow down while pressing Shift. Press Enter. Right-click on the text layer and click on Convert to Shape. Now go to the Shape tool. Click on Stroke and choose the color you want. Now do what I am doing. Press Ctrl+J to make a copy. Now do what I am doing. Here's the logo. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.